Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to upload video on Google Drive and share the link. So if you have a video you want to share across, and the only way you can do this is you can easily use Google Drive, because if this is too bulky, you might not be able to send it through WhatsApp or other messaging application. Then here's a video for you. So basically here, you're going to learn how you can easily upload the video on Google Drive and also share the link. So if for none of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Google Drive application on your phone. So this could be Android and could be iPhone. Now once open the Google Drive application and then you're on home, come to home. Then on the home page, locate and click on the plus icon. If you see this menu comes up, on the menu, click on upload. Then you should see browse or photos and videos. Now to upload videos, locate photos and video. After that, you need to grant full access to the photo here, then select full access, allow full access. However, if this menu pops on the Google Drive, when you click on upload file, that you need to allow access to your photo and video, just go ahead and allow that. Then locate the video you want to upload to Google Drive and share it link. So just swipe through your app library, select the video or photo. Once you selected it, locate and click on upload at the top right. Now once you click on upload, hang on while the video is uploading to Google Drive. Then come to files, click on that. Then you should see the video uploading here, like this. Now once this upload is completed, just scroll down, locate the file, click on the three dots on the video, then locate and click on share. Then once you click on the share button, select the person you want to share the video with, or better still, if you want to share the video link, just click on the three dots on the video, then scroll down, locate and click on copy link. Once you copy, you should see link copy to clipboard. Then go ahead and send this particular video link on your messaging application. So this could be your WhatsApp and it could be your iMessage or SMS. So just come here, press and hold it, and then paste the video link. Send. Then whenever anyone opens this link, they will be able to access the video on Google Drive. So that is basically how to upload video on Google Drive and share the link. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.